Welcome back. This is our 2019 Miami real estate forecast. It's probably around my, 500th vlog now, which is all video, of what we're predicting and seeing in the Miami market. For us, it's all about explaining the why things happen, not just what and how, because otherwise it's just not believable. So again, we've done a new report coming out this year. It's going to be ready at the end of December. Register now. Please get it early. You get the first information, and also look back at our previous years. Now, one of the things I want to do, hold on a minute. See, this is our videos. It happens all the time. It's very real. My phone goes off. I'm going to put it on silent. Said it before. There's no rehearsals in life. This is how it happens. So we keep shooting, we keep talking. 5 years ago, we started to do these really in-depth reports. And you know what? We look back on it now, and we look what happened the last 5 years, and we actually accurately predicted the market movements. And I think it's important to let you know that we're accurate, because it's one thing to talk about how you know the market, it's another thing to show the numbers. But if you can actually show that you got it right, it'll help you maybe get a little bit more comfort and appreciation that we do know what we're talking about. So, back in 15, I'm going to give you 3 points, and then the rest of it, just read the blog and you'll see it in detail. In 2015, I said to all the people who owned in Brickell, get out. Get out now and sell, because we have thousands and thousands of new condos coming into the market, and you need to sell. Brickell, volume, huge amounts of product. You know, we had the dollar per square foot that was running high. We were seeing stuff at $550, $600 a square foot. It tumbled. It came down to 400. And now this year we can see it. There's reflections of that in the 2019 forecast. And then moving on, how long it's going to absorb that product? That is a question on everyone's mind. Number 2, the second thing we talk about neighborhoods like Coconut Grove, Gables. We talk about the primary markets, and I said in 2017, if you're in that 1 million to 1.5 bracket, you're okay. That's good, that's solid. There's continuous velocity in there. But when you get to that higher end, that 3 million plus in the single family market, be careful of the very high dollar per square foot homes. They are going to correct. What happened? Exactly that. We have accurately predicted it. Now, I'm not some kind of real estate savant. I just know the right indicators. I'm going to have you look at the right charts, the right dials on the dashboard, because you can't fly an aeroplane if you don't look at the dials. Our job is to show you the scoreboard, show you the dials. And all of this is what we love. It's detailed, it's important, it'll help you make a better decision. At the end of this video, what I'd love you to do, after registering, keep watching. You'll get to watch our new video which tours you through Miami. So if you don't know Miami, if you've never been here before, if you don't know all the cool different neighborhoods and all the wonderful property that exists, and there is so much of it, this is just a couple of minutes. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you'll see us teleport you around from area to area to show you the best parts. So I hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Oh, and don't forget, call me, email me, WhatsApp me, chat online. We have this great Drift app. It's right here. Engage with us on Drift. You get to chat with us all day long. Luce is my marketing director. She's online, and we love to help. So enjoy. We look forward to speaking to you soon.